In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download your Janitor AI chat. If you've ever wanted to save a conversation for reference, sharing, or record keeping, this walkthrough will show you the simplest way to create a clean PDF directly from your browser. First, open your web browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type Janitor AI, then press Enter. From the results, click the official Janitor AI website at janitorai.com. So you land on the home page. Once the site loads, make sure you're signed in. Then look to the top right of the page and click your profile. From the menu that appears, choose My Chats. This takes you to a list of your conversations. Next, select the character whose conversation you want to keep. After that, open the specific chat you plan to download so the full thread is visible. If your conversation is long, scroll upward to load older messages before you print. This helps ensure everything you want is included. Now, move to your browser controls. Click the three dots in the top right corner of the browser window to open the menu and choose Print. A quick tip: on most computers, you can also press Ctrl+P on Windows or CMD+P on a Mac to open the same print window. In the print dialog, change the destination to Save as PDF. You'll see a live preview on the side. Take a moment to review it. Set the layout to portrait or landscape based on how your chat fits best, and adjust scale if text looks too large or too small. Under More Settings, you can toggle options like background graphics if you want colored bubbles or UI elements to appear, and adjust margins to prevent message bubbles from getting cut off. If your chat spans many pages, make sure Pages is set to All so the entire conversation is captured. If you only need a portion, enter a custom page range instead. Scroll through the preview to double-check that messages are in order, and that images, if any, display correctly. When everything looks right, click Save. Choose your folder, give the file a clear name, for example, something like Janitor A Chat plus the character and date, and confirm. Your browser will create the PDF and store it where you selected. That's it. You've downloaded your Janitor AI chat as a PDF, ready to archive, search, or share as needed. If you ever need to repeat this, just follow these same steps.